Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you 3 quick and easy sheet pan recipes. I love sheet pan recipes. They are so convenient for hectic, busy weeknights. So I just love putting everything on a sheet pan, putting it in the oven. I don't have to really worry about it until it's all done and our whole meal is ready to go. So I'm going to share with you 3 more of my favorite sheet pan recipes. I shared a video a few weeks ago with some other sheet pan recipes, so I'll put a link to that in the description box if you missed it. Check it out. All really easy, convenient, and super quick. If you guys have busy weeknights like us, these are definitely some of my go-to meals. We are just running around, sports, homework, all kinds of activities. So I like to have a nice healthy meal that is easy at the same time. So check these out. I hope that you guys enjoy them. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Click the bell button next to subscribe and you'll get a notification each time I post a new video. So I'm gonna get these sheet pan meals ready. I'll show them to you. I'm gonna use my sheet pan and my baking mat that I always use, that I love so much. So I will link this in the description box. Got it on Amazon, but it makes cleanup so easy. Just love it. So I hope you guys enjoy these sheet pan meals that I'm making for the week.
So first I'm going to do a sheet pan pork, and it's going to be a ranch pork, and I'm going to use some ranch seasoning. It's going to be awesome. But I have these, it's kind of a thin sliced, and it's a bone-in piece of pork, and they're really good. They're really easy to cook and super simple. They don't take long at all. Perfect for a sheet pan meal. These are all really quick, which I love. So I have just a packet of ranch seasoning mix that you would make like a dressing with. And I'm going to sprinkle it onto each piece of pork. And then I'm also going to rub it in and then add some olive oil on top. I'm going to, after I add all of the olive oil on top, I'm going to flip them over and do the same for the other side. So I'm going to flip each one after the olive oil is put on. I'm going to do the seasoning and the olive oil again. The seasoning gives so much awesome flavor. If you'd like, you can just use regular seasonings without the packet. So you can do garlic powder. I like a dill. It's very much like a ranch. Has awesome dill flavoring. So I'm just using the packet. Makes it really easy. I'm going to rub this one in a little bit more on the side, and I'm going to do a side of green beans. I love green beans in the oven, so I just have them. I'm going to lay them on the side of the pan, and I'm going to coat them with a little bit of olive oil and some vegetable seasoning as well. And you guys know I love my baking mat. I use it for so many things all the time. So I'm going to link this one in the description box. I got it on Amazon and I use it seriously almost every day. It's super easy for cleanup and it just makes sheet pan meals awesome. So I'm going to mix so that the green beans get all coated in olive oil and seasoning. And then I'm going to bake this in the oven for about 20 minutes and dinner will be ready to go and it'll be so good. We're going to make salmon, and it is definitely one of our family's absolute favorites. So I have this piece of salmon and I have asparagus. I think that they just pair really well together. So I have the bundle of asparagus, and I'm going to snap off the ends of the asparagus. You can definitely cut them, but I like to just snap off the end and it pops off wherever it is ready to. So I'm going to snap off the ends of each piece of asparagus before I put them on the pan. And this is pretty fun. The boys like to snap off the ends for me as well, so it definitely helps get them involved. They are doing homework right now, so they are not going to help with tonight's, but they definitely love to help snapping off the ends of asparagus. And asparagus, I think it cooks really well with salmon because they take the same amount of time, in my opinion. So it really just goes great on this sheet pan meal. So I have my piece of salmon, and I like to cut my salmon before I cook it into the portion sizes that we want. So I'm going to cut this into 4 pieces. If you cut it after it's cooked, it definitely gets a little flaky and the pieces just don't stay together. So I cut it before I cook it. And I have it on my baking mat again, favorite baking mat ever. And I'm going to add in my asparagus, and I'm going to add in some olive oil and seasoning for the asparagus as well when I have that ready. But first, for the salmon, I use this island teriyaki marinade, and it is seriously delicious. It is so easy. I just pour it right on top. My kids love this flavor on the salmon. It's a nice sweet teriyaki, but it's definitely not overpowering. But it is definitely a family favorite of ours. Makes it delicious. So you can marinate the salmon for a little bit in this sauce if you have time. I do it either way. If we need a quick dinner, then I just pour it on before baking it. But you can definitely marinate it for about half an hour to an hour, and that helps give it a ton of flavor also. So I'm getting the asparagus ready, and then this will all be ready to bake in the oven for about 18 to 20 minutes, and dinner will be ready. This is one of our absolute favorite quick meals, and definitely mixes it up from our normal chicken, so it's so good.
I want salmon. So delicious.
And we're going to have some sausage and some squash tonight, some zucchini and yellow squash. So this sausage is really awesome to do on a sheet pan. I'm going to open it up out of the package. It just comes right out. And then I'm going to slice it into some smaller pieces. And then I will slice up the zucchini and the squash. And then I'm going to mix it up with my olive oil and seasonings. And this is such an easy sheet pan meal. My kids love sausage, so it's also another great way to mix up our normal dinners. So we try and have this one every couple of weeks. I like to make things that everybody likes, but we also like to try new stuff as well. And this is really fun to make, super easy, gets it on the table really quick. We have totally busy nights with sports and homework, so I am really loving these quick dinner ideas. I hope that you guys are liking them. If you are new to my channel, make sure you click subscribe and click the bell button next to subscribe. I have tons of quick sheet pan meals that I love, and I'm definitely going to be doing more of them in the future because we are getting super busy. Just started T-ball season with the boys, so I need more quick dinners, so I will be sharing them with you guys. So don't forget to subscribe if you are new. So I'm going to add in my olive oil, and I have garlic powder, paprika, and some thyme, and I'm just going to season this all, mix it up, and then I'm going to put it in the oven for about 20 minutes at 350. So all 3 of these meals are done in 20 minutes. And so easy, and I just love everything that the whole family can eat. I don't like to make separate meals for myself and my husband and the kids, so we all love all of these, which is really awesome, and we don't have to worry about making different meals, which definitely is a no-go in my house. So I am just going to mix all this, put it in the oven, and it'll be ready to go for dinner.
All right, so the sausage and zucchini sheet pan meals all done, ready for dinner. You guys, this one is so quick and easy. I absolutely love it. This is a family favorite My kids love sausage, so anything they like is good with me. So sheet pan meals, you guys, like I said, are so easy. I just love making them, having quick dinners ready to go, nice and healthy, that the whole family loves. So hope that you guys enjoy this one. Hope you enjoyed these ideas, and let me know which one's your favorite in the comments. If you are new to my channel, make sure you click the subscribe button and click the bell button next to subscribe, and it'll give you a notification each time I post a new video. Lots of meal prepping and dinner ideas coming your way, so make sure to subscribe. Hope that you have a really great day, and I'll see you guys all next time. Bye-bye.